Welcome to MP World. Today I'm going to show you how to get a vertical portrait orientation video by using iMovies on your iPhone or on your Mac. For those of you that have been playing around with iMovie for some time, you have probably noticed that when you insert portrait video, you get black bars on either side of the video. And the reason for that is that iMovie is designed for the horizontal format, which is the aspect ratio of 16:9. So if any of your video footage falls outside of these parameters, whether it's a square video, whether it's a vertical portrait orientation, it deals with the footage by placing black bars on either side of the video clip. But that's fine, don't worry about it. We're gonna take care of that in next section. Actually, there is no built-in feature in order to deal with vertical orientation video in iMovies, but there is a workaround, and if you have the latest version of iOS, then you are in luck, because you can do it by using photo editor in iOS 13 or 14. So the procedure is edit your video as you normally would in iMovies, and just ignore the fact you have got black bars to either side of the video. Now export the video out as a 16:9 widescreen video, whether it's a 1080p or 4K, whichever resolution is fine, and then you will see when you go to play it back in your camera roll, the video footage, it's the black bars. So the next step is to tap and edit the video, and now tap on the crop tool in iOS 13 or 14, and you can use the crop tool in order to contract those edges left and right, so that you can completely get rid of those black bars. Or even better, we can get out of the free transform tool and we can go into one of the crop presets, which you can activate by tapping on the icon just near to top right hand corner, and okay, this one, and we can go into 16:9 crop and then change the orientation from horizontal to vertical, and that will give us the exact measurement for a 9:16 crop, which is perfect for uploading into IGTV or YouTube or any other social media platform that requires or prefers the vertical format of video. So that's how you can get your vertical orientation video by using your iMovies on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. See you in next one, and bye for now. And one more thing, if you have any trouble with this and if you have any query, please ask me on my comment section below, and I will come with another solution based video. Till then, stay healthy, and if you like my video, please share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.